Google's first attempt at gaming is here, so let's unbox the Stadia Founders Edition and show you what's inside and get some very early hands-on impressions. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Google on YouTube. Be sure to thumbs up, hit subscribe and then enable notifications with the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So if you pre-ordered Stadia, you'll hopefully have connected, signed up and tried the service already. Unlike the PlayStation, Xbox or Nintendo Switch before it, the hardware is essentially non-existent. That means the box doesn't have any hardware that's essential. However, opening up the very minimal box and you're greeted with the Stadia Limited Founders Edition controller. It's nice and it has a solid feeling, and it is definitely taking design cues from the other main players. If I had to describe it, I'd say it fuses the main body of the Switch Pro controller with the shape of the PS4 DualShock and the triggers of the Xbox One gamepads. It charges via USB-C and has a charge brick in the box. There's also a headphone port if you want to connect a headset directly to the controller. Also included in the box are the obligatory data and information sheets with a welcome postcard from the Stadia team. There are also some neat little Stadia stickers if you do want to emblazon your laptop or notebook with a Stadia logo. The only other piece of hardware included is the Chromecast Ultra. It's essentially the same as the original model but with some slight tweaks, and you will need this if you do want to play Stadia on your TV. It too comes with a power brick which has an Ethernet connection, which is recommended for the best overall experience. So that's everything you'll find in the Stadia Founders Edition box. Of course, as you know, Stadia works across mobile, desktop, laptops and tablets. That means it's as easy as pairing your preferred hardware and getting into a game once you've registered. For those wondering, to connect your Stadia controller, you will need to use the Stadia app and connect it to your Wi-Fi network directly. Then it's plain sailing and it syncs with whatever device you're using just by entering a code after entering settings. As for our initial impressions of the Stadia gaming experience, well, it's not without issues, but for the most part it has been pretty good. My personal advice would be to ensure that you're gaming with a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection, as I have encountered more lag when my router has been auto-switching between 2.4 and 5 GHz. I have to say the controller really is comfortable and a joy to use. Being able to game on almost any hardware is also a breath of fresh air. That said, we'll save judgment until our full review, but if you do have any questions or would like to know more, then leave a comment down below. Of course, thanks for watching this super quick run through and unboxing of Stadia, but until next time, this is Damien with 9 to 5 Google, and I will speak to you later.